Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're thrilled to dive into an in-depth review of the Samsung 49-inch ultra-wide monitor. This behemoth of a screen is not just another monitor, it's a gateway to a new level of gaming and productivity. If you're curious about what makes this monitor a top choice, keep watching. And, for those ready to make the leap, check out our Amazon affiliate link in the video description. The Samsung Ultrawide Monitor, with its staggering 49-inch display, offers an unparalleled visual experience. Its dual QHD resolution ensures crisp, clear images, making it perfect for both work and play. Imagine having the expanse of two 27-inch monitors seamlessly combined into one. Whether it's multitasking for work or immersive gaming, this monitor has got you covered. Gaming on this monitor is a whole new level of immersion. The 120Hz refresh rate and HDR technology offers stunning visuals and smooth gameplay. Although it may not match the absolute top-tier performance of some gaming monitors, for its size and price, it's a powerhouse. From fast-paced shooters to visually stunning RPGs, this monitor delivers an exceptional gaming experience. Gaming on this monitor is a whole new level of immersion. The 120Hz refresh rate and HDR technology offers stunning visuals and smooth gameplay. Although it may not match the absolute top-tier performance of some gaming monitors, for its size and price, it's a powerhouse. From fast-paced shooters to visually stunning RPGs, this monitor delivers an exceptional gaming experience. Watching HDR movies on this screen is a treat, with vibrant colors and detailed highlights. The wide aspect ratio means you can easily have multiple windows open, enhancing your productivity. It's like having a dual monitor setup without the distracting bezel in between. For professionals dealing with multi-column spreadsheets or extensive design work, this monitor is a game changer. However, every tech product has its downsides. Some users report minor issues like a single dead pixel or a stand that could be sturdier. Also, while HDR is supported, the dimming zones might not impress everyone. Despite these minor drawbacks, the overall user experience remains overwhelmingly positive. In conclusion, the Samsung 49-inch ultra-wide monitor is a versatile, high-performing display that excels in both gaming and professional settings. It's an investment that pays off in enhanced productivity and unparalleled gaming immersion. Ready to take your screen experience to the next level? Click the link in our video description to purchase this impressive monitor on Amazon. Transform your workspace and gaming setup today.